Rule the kitchen with the Cooking Guide Apron. This Wikipedia of aprons provides a wealth of information at your fingertips. The text and illustrations are printed upside down, so when you lift the corners, everything is right side up. At a glance, you've got access to loads of useful kitchen tips, from conversion charts for weights, liquid volumes and temperatures, to cooking times for 15 different vegetables and oven roasting times for different sized birds. You can also see just how long many types of food will last in the freezer. But our favorite parts of the Cooking Guide Apron are these handy tricks. To find out how well a steak is cooked, touch your index finger and thumb together and feel the muscle just under your thumb. If the steak is this soft, it's probably rare. Use your middle finger to find out what medium rare feels like, your ring finger for medium, and your pinky for well done. Here's another useful illustration that shows you how much raw spaghetti you'll need to cook for 1 to 4 people. The Cooking Guide Apron even includes a 17-term glossary that defines words for both beginners and experienced cooks. In case it gets a bit messy, this thick cotton apron is machine washable. And it even includes a large front pocket for storing awesome kitchen gadgets from VAT19. Cook with confidence. Buy the Cooking Guide Apron now at VAT19.com.
VAT19.com